my friends, this is Mohammed Imtiaz. Welcome to my channel AutoCAD Tips and Tricks. Today the tutorial is tutorial 1 because next tutorial will related to this tutorial. So that's why we call this tutorial 1. So today I'm going to show you that how you can set up a page and apply for all layout. So skip that, we no need that to be applied for one by one. We can just click and make it the page setup and apply for the all layouts. Okay, let's start it. In the command line you have to type page setup. Now this page setup manager, it's open now, and you can see that we don't have any page setup here and we don't know the correct size of the paper here. We have 4 layout, you can see that down here also. So I'm going to create new one. To remember that, I will create the paper size name A1. Okay, now you can create the A0, A1, whatever you need. Okay, just click it OK. And now here you select the plotter or printer, whatever you have. I have the HP plotter, so I selected this one. Just a moment. So I selected the plotter. Now I'm going to change the properties inside. I will check it, it's correct or not, exact the A1 size. Okay, I click it on the future A1. Okay, just a minute. First of all, select this one A1. Not oversize will leave you the gap after the print. Okay, so click it A1 here, then go to the features, sorry, and click the landscape and click it OK, and click it OK again. Save changes will take your this you can import to another files also. So you can see here C user Muhammad and app data roaming. This is the location in the C. This is going to be saved. I click it OK, and now I'm going to select the window. I am going to select this one. Okay, now center the plot. If you need to print in scale, this all layout in scale, so you can don't click it here, fit to the paper, and as you have file inches or so you can click it 1 then it will be set in scale. I don't need in scale, so that's why I click it to fit to paper. Now click it OK. After the set current, the layout will be zoom. It's like it's set it in A1. Okay, set current. You can see our layout is zoom now, so because it's set in A1 size. Okay, so click it closed and go to the next layout and type page setup again. Select the page setup A1, set current. It's also zoomed. Okay, go to do this for all page setup. Type in command line page setup. Page setup. Select the style and select set current. It's zoom. Okay, and do for the third one also. Type which page setup. Select the style and select it, set current, close. This is the way you can set your all layout in A1. Okay, I hope you like this video. So next tutorial I will show you how to publish this all layout in one time. Okay, sorry for the noise, and click it. Thank you, and please, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. I will always give you the shortcuts in the way of working. And thank you, take care, and please like the video. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.